We're at Bishop Museum for the ultimate thrill, a great exhibit that's going on now until January 11th. Scream Machine, the science of roller coasters. Most of us enjoy that dynamic thrill of a roller coaster, and Patrick here is going to talk about the science behind it.
Well, a couple of forces that you're feeling when you're in the revolver. First of which is centrifugal force. You're being pushed to the outside a little bit, so when you first get on, participants start to feel as though they're getting pushed against the edge. The other thing is once we actually start doing the demonstrations and you roll the ball across, to us inside it looks like it's going into a curved line, and that's actually what we attribute to the Coriolis effect, Coriolis force. And we sometimes call these fictitious forces because, they're from the perspective of the observer. But we do have cameras set up where you can see that when they do the roll the ball, it's actually going in a straight line, not actually in a curve.
Now this is really cool. They have an interactive exhibit so you can learn about the physics. Does distance matter? Does the curve of the roller coaster matter? Woo!
You're learning about the different factors that make a great roller coaster ride, whether it's the kind of curve you have, the distance, the drop, and so forth. So kids can experiment here on these pre-made roller coaster sections and then go over to the make your own roller coaster area later, and using the knowledge they've acquired here, they can design their own roller coaster.
Designing, so engineers in the making.
This is all engineering and mathematics.
We're strapping in, and it feels like the real deal here to ride the great ones, 5 of the world's greatest roller coasters.
So this is the roller coaster simulator. That's one of the highlights of the exhibit. Of course, we don't really have roller coasters here in Hawaii, but here's a chance to experience in this simulation 5 of the greatest roller coasters in North America.
That is awesome. Maybe a little bit of screaming.
It's called Scream Machine, so there better be screaming.
Well, a great family fun event, and you could feel like you're on the real thing here at the Bishop Museum. Jennifer Robbins, Hawaii News Now. Let's get going, guys.
Is it over?
Is it over yet?
I mean, I don't do coasters that well.
Yeah, I tried to do this, but I ended up doing this. All right.